Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make a gender swap edit when the gender swap feature is not available in your CapCut. So for this to happen, if you want to make the gender swap edit but you don't have the feature, you need two apps. You need CapCut and also the Face app. So you need these two apps right here. First, you're gonna be using the Face app to change the gender of a person in CapCut. So I'm going to use this photo and I want to change it into a female. So you can just swipe until you find gender options. So here, this is a man and I'm going to change it into a female. There are two options, female 1 and also female 2. If you can see that the female 1 is not really good, so I'm going to use the female 2. Click on the female 2. Okay, so this is good enough, and then you can just click on save. Okay, the photo has been saved. Then now you can use the CapCut and go to template and find gender swap template. So for this you'll see lots of template. You can just find the one that you need to add the original and also the photo that has been done some gender swap. So I'm going to use this. Okay, I'm going to select the photo. Okay, this is the before and I'm going to select the after. Okay, this is the after. Just click on preview. Okay, so after you click on preview, your gender swap edit will be shown and you can preview it here. So it will go like this. Okay, after that you can just click on export, then you'll have that gender swap edit in your CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.